Have you ever pondered the importance of setting healthy boundaries in your life? Let's take a moment to reflect on this essential aspect of personal growth and development. Healthy boundaries are like invisible lines that define our individuality and autonomy. They are crucial for our mental health, acting as shields that protect our minds from unnecessary stress and anxiety. Furthermore, these boundaries play a significant role in shaping our relationships. They allow us to communicate our needs and expectations clearly, fostering understanding and mutual respect. Over the course of this video, we will delve into 5 compelling reasons to establish these healthy boundaries in our lives. We'll discuss how they promote self-care and respect, improve our relationships, facilitate personal growth, enhance mental health, and boost self-esteem. Each of these factors contributes to a more fulfilling and balanced life. So, if you're curious about how setting healthy boundaries can transform your life, keep listening. The first reason to set healthy boundaries revolves around self-care and respect. Setting boundaries is like drawing a personal map of your needs and desires. It's a way of treating yourself with the utmost respect. It's about prioritizing your well-being, your needs, and your happiness. It's about saying yes to yourself, even when you might have to say no to others. It's about self-care. When you set boundaries, you are essentially telling yourself and others that you value your well-being. Moving on to the second reason, improved relationships. Setting boundaries is like drawing a line in the sand, a line that keeps resentment at bay and cultivates understanding. It's about defining what's acceptable to you and what's not. This clarity prevents others from inadvertently crossing the line and taking advantage of you. It's not about being rigid, but about creating a space where mutual respect can flourish. Healthy boundaries, thus, nurture healthier and more respectful relationships. The third reason is all about personal growth. Setting boundaries can be a stepping stone to personal development. By carving out space for your aspirations and goals, you pave the way for self-improvement. Boundaries help you prioritize, make better decisions, and foster a deeper understanding of what truly matters to you. They encourage introspection, self-awareness, and the cultivation of personal values. So, by setting healthy boundaries, you're essentially setting the stage for your evolution. Boundaries, in essence, empower you to become the best version of yourself. The fourth reason we are focusing on is mental health. Establishing boundaries is like building a personal fortress, safeguarding your mind from stress and anxiety. It allows you to dictate the pace, letting you decide what you let in and keep out. It's a powerful tool that helps you regain control over your life, making it more manageable and less overwhelming. Healthy boundaries, therefore, contribute significantly to your mental well-being. Finally, the fifth reason, increased self-esteem. When we establish boundaries, we're essentially saying, "I am worthy of respect." This powerful statement can greatly enhance our self-esteem. By defining what we will and won't accept, we reinforce our self-worth, allowing us to feel more confident and secure. Boundaries act as a protective shield, guarding our self-image and promoting a healthier self-perception. They remind us that our needs and feelings matter. In essence, setting healthy boundaries boosts your self-esteem and promotes a positive self-image. To sum up, setting healthy boundaries is crucial for numerous reasons. It's a practice that fosters self-care and respect, giving you the space to honor your needs and desires. It aids in improving relationships, allowing for mutual respect and understanding. It promotes personal growth, encouraging you to explore and understand yourself better. It's a pillar for mental health, providing a safe space for your mind. And lastly, it boosts your self-esteem, reinforcing your worth and value. Remember, your boundaries define you, and setting them is a significant step towards a happier and healthier you.